That's exactly what Richard Devane is doing right now in our Chevy-Storm-Tracker.
That is absolutely correct. Chris, thank you very much. I'm not actually driving. Kevin Wardlaw is doing those honors this morning. We can tell you that basically, if I showed you the camera, let me show you the cam. This would make it look like there's some water out there, but no, let's take a look at this cam. A lot clearer. That's what we're looking at, clearer roads. We're heading north on I-77, heading toward Rock Hill right now. As we got closer to Chester, we've noticed the conditions have gotten a lot better. The roads are beginning to dry. Still, there's some water on the road, so be alert, be prepared for any areas which may have ponded over overnight or during the storm, I should say. The morning commute here, not a lot of cars on the road, but it's slightly wet, so take your time as you get in. Nothing to be overly concerned about, no debris or anything like that, or reports of fallen power lines or anything like that, so that's the good news. Also, the better news is that if you take your morning commute, you might be a little wet out there, but you should be fine. Just take your time. Have a fantastic Wednesday, folks. I'll send it back to you.
Yeah, hopefully less traffic out there because of spring break. All right, Richard and Kevin, thank you both. We appreciate it. And as Richard alluded to, no matter where your commute takes you this morning, expect wet roads. Kia Murray taking a broader view of how the roads are this morning as you head out the door. Kia.
Good morning. Well, I want to start with this look at our Albemarle traffic cam. You can go ahead and see that you see the wet roads already, some even light ponding. If you look real close, you can see that there's still some droplets that are coming down. There were even some droplets on some of our other DOT cameras. Here's how it plays when it comes to looking at our graphics maps. So we see that blue that's still continuing to make its way all the way out of the maps to the northeast region. That's because it's moving with the storm, but that doesn't mean that we're safe here. The green means that we have a lot of wet roads still, and that's what's leading to some incidents. So these two crashes have been active for quite a while now, but after checking in with CMPD, it looks like this one that was further south on West Boulevard has cleared. Although the one that's on West Boulevard at Clanton Road seems to still be active. We're still seeing a lot of green though, so it's not slowing you down this morning. Good news since we're now in the 6 o'clock hour. And then I want to let you know about the other stalled vehicle that we have on the roads right now. That's going to be on Old Pineville Road near Woodlawn Road. We're seeing a lot of green in this area too, so I'm hoping that these two will get cleaned up soon, especially since we're inching closer and closer to 7 o'clock where more people are going to get on the road. I can't say it enough. This light to heavy rain is going to slow you down anywhere between 8 and 12 miles per hour. It means that you just need to head out a little bit earlier than you usually would. Drive safe.
Yeah, thanks. And folks, the storm system still moving through, and it's still a good reminder to make sure you have the WCNC Charlotte mobile app for the latest weather.